In today's video, I'm going to teach you using the hashtag Shopify file Metafield. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin to set up a file Metafield for every major resource, so you can attach things like PDFs, size charts, warranties, or downloads right where they belong. Start in your Shopify admin. Open Settings, then choose Metafields and Meta Objects. This is where Shopify lets you add custom fields to different parts of your store. Begin with Products. Open Products under Custom Data, then select Add Definition. Shopify will show a panel where you choose the content type for this new field. For our purpose, pick the file type, the option highlighted in the guide. This tells Shopify the field will store a hosted file, such as an image, document, or video. A quick tip: use a clear name and a consistent namespace so you can recognize it later in your theme or apps. Next, return to Custom Data and open Variants. Click Add Definition, then choose the file type again. Variant-level file metafields are perfect when different options need different files, for example, separate instruction sheets or swatch images per variant. Head back to Custom Data and open Collections. Click Add Definition, and once more, choose the file type. Collections can benefit from files like a lookbook PDF or a promotional banner image specific to that collection. Go back and open Customers. Click Add Definition and select the file type. This is helpful if you capture customer-submitted documents or need to store a file associated with an account. Return and open Orders. Choose Add Definition, then the file type. Order-level files might include packing slips, compliance documents, or a custom invoice. Back to Custom Data, open Draft Orders. Click the highlighted option to create your file-based field here as well. This keeps pre-sale documents organized during quoting or custom orders. Now open Locations. Select the highlighted option to add a file metafield. You can attach location-specific documents like permits, safety sheets, or store maps. Open Pages. Then select the highlighted option to add a file field for static content pages. Great for downloadable guides or media kits. Open Blogs. Choose the highlighted option, and you'll have a place for editorial assets such as press-ready images or white papers. Open Markets. Choose the highlighted option, and you can store region-specific files such as localized legal PDFs or translated brochures. Finally, open Shop. Choose the highlighted option, and add a global file metafield for assets that apply across your entire store. That's it. You've set up file metafields across products, variants, collections, customers, orders, draft orders, locations, pages, blogs, markets, and your overall shop. Keep names consistent and store files in Shopify files for reliable hosting. When you're ready, you can reference these fields in your theme or app.